everybody, I think, has snored once upon a time in their life, but you get those people that every night they're fighting for their life in the darkest hours of the night.
And the poor person that loves them is suffering every single night, sometimes for years.
I wish I had a recording of it, but I don't. But my son, Cruz, at when he was 5, the one night he woke up like terrified. And he woke my wife up and he said, "There's a monster in the room." And it was actually Dad just having the best sleep of his life.
You are the monster.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, the household is shooketh.
Yeah.
That's how you know there's a problem, eh?
The babies are suffering.
The babies think there's a monster. There's a monster inside my dad, Mommy.
From 8!
Oh, man, we've got some funny snores. You know, you can just be the normal guy, but Megan, it's like a comedy show in your house every night.
Yes, Darren.
So are you the snorer or the victim?
No, I'm the victim. My husband is the snorer.
Oh, I'm so
So
sorry.
she sent us the audio. So this is how Megan's husband snores. Would you like to name him at all, Megan?
I'll just say his first name, Rodney.
Rodney from Kales River.
Husband to Megan.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, just know if you see Megan and she's not too happy at work, well, it might because she's been putting up with this for 5 hours a night.
What? No, man.
Is he? It's like a boo.
But it's like a little dog that's like threatening to come and bite you, but it's just I'm gonna bite you, I'm gonna bite you, I'm gonna bite you.
That is just before when your battery's flat and you're trying to start the car, just before the battery goes totally stone dead. But it's as if he's like laughing in his sleep while he's snoring.
I'm not sure what's happening there. That's some sort of other type of thing out of another world. But Shane, I must give it to him. He's been working straight overtime. It's really exhausted him out.
And when he's doing that, whatever that was, is he peaceful when he's sleeping? He's not in any distress?
No, he's laying flat on his stomach, very peaceful. But the problem is he likes facing my way. So it's always like in my ear.
And is it the same tune every night, or are you entertained by different versions of that woo-woo?
No, there's different versions. I just thought that this one was so funny. I had to record it and play it in the morning for him. He couldn't believe it.
This is the best. This is like a hippopotamus. Just have a listen again.
Yes, definitely some sort of animal.
Shame, man.
Best.
Wat soek jy, Woefie? Soek jy 'n bietjie water, 'n bietjie kossies, wat is fout? I just man.
Yeah. The dog has just been sedated. And he's fighting. No, don't.
Mama. Ach, Mama. Ach.
Oh, Megs, thank you for that. For that bit of joy.
Keep well, guys.
Cheers.
And keep loving that hard-working man of yours,
yes.
eh?
No, definitely. Thanks, guys. Keep on.
Just make say hi to Rodney in Kales River.
Will do.
If you see him out there today, just give him a little toot toot. Hey, Rodney.
That's my dog.
You got to hear this one, and this is this lady recording him, and you can see her frustration at the end. So now, just picture this. She sent the video. This guy is passed out on the couch. He's been watching TV. Clearly woken him up while she's been in the bedroom with the snoring. Have a listen.
Stop it.
It's the stop it for me.
No.
Are we sure that was a human being?
That was a human being. I've seen the video. How he gets that pitch, I don't know.
And that sound travels.
You can hear it echoing through the house.
That's actually very scary. That's very scary. And it also sounded like she kind of like, is he bald? Like she hit him on the head or something.
Yeah.
Like, stop it.
Have a listen again, yeah.
Oh no.
Stop it.
Stop.
That sounds like a bird being strangled.
What some people put up with in the middle of the night.
That's the love of your life,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, you kiss that
Wow.
mouth in the morning. He has another hectic one. Listen to this one.
No, you actually, no.
That's not real.
I promise you,
No.
this is not made up. We haven't distorted the audio. We haven't tried to make the audio sound
That's
better
a chainsaw, man.
for radio. These are actuals that people have sent in. We have not modified the audio at all.
No.
That's a lawnmower sound you got from YouTube. Stop it.
I promise you. I wouldn't lie to you. Can you imagine? You've had a long, hard day at work. You just put your head down, and there your partner is doing this.
No. No, man.
No, man. Come on. Come now. And very consistent, eh? How do you sleep next to that? You don't.
No, you don't. You don't get any sleep. Catherine in Pinelands, good morning.
Morning.
Hello, Catherine. How was your night last night?
Not good at all.
All right. So this is...
You sound like you're in good spirits, though, which is good. Or you're just really traumatized.
Is that a manic laugh?
No, the reason why I'm in good spirits is because I can hear this. I'm not the only one that's going through this trauma.
So now we're going to play the audio from your husband, but would you say your husband is worse than what you've heard or perhaps better?
I think it's kind of bittersweet.
Okay.
So these guys are actually making your man look good.
Yes, they are. They do.
These are the goats of the Western Cape. Let's hear what you go through.
Sorry?
But this sounds like a machine.
Yeah.
And is that what you hear every night?
Every single night.
But it sounds...
Non-stop.
It sounds mechanical, though.
Non-stop. Non-stop. It sounds like machinery, yes. I always say it sounds like he's cutting off trees somewhere.
Let's just hear that again.
No, man.
No, man.
Something's being trimmed. No, man.
And you love this man, hey? Forever and ever.
Oh, yes. Forever and ever.
Love of your life.
Love of your life.
No, she's...
Oh, these are funny.
Oh, my goodness.
Sure.
And then how many hours do you sleep at night?
I don't sleep, probably 4 hours.
Yeah.
But she keeps on laughing.
She's sleep deprived. She's manic.
So from Pinelands, what's your hubby's name, Catherine?
No, I can't.
It sounds like a scooter pulling off.
Oh my goodness.
This is the
You guys
scooter.
are so funny.
This is the scooter pulling off from the traffic lights.
Needs a service.
All right, Catherine. Good night's
thank
sleep,
you.
I hope.
And good luck.
Thank you, thank you.
The sounds that I've heard this morning are sounds that I have never experienced in my 34 years on Earth.
It's not your normal.
No.
And
But it's normal for some women. That's what they're sleeping next to every night.
yeah, but the sounds though are really from extraterrestrial.
Yes. Out of this world.
Let's just check in with Mornay from Kales River as well. Oh, can you imagine Kales River
It
at
must
night?
be shaking there.
The whole of Kales River, out of every home. That's what it seems like. How's it, Mornay?
Hey, give yourself that. And,
Good. So,
Hello.
did you record your mother-in-law now?
Yeah, so that was my mother-in-law after Christmas lunch the past year. And it wasn't me that recorded it, was my own daughter. That's what my wife recorded.
I love how
Oh.
you clarify it because you would like to have that.
And she's from Crawford, not Kels River. let's just clear that.
Okay, so Mornay, this is your mother-in-law.
No.
What is that?
Is hy fyn poepies?
No, you know what that is?
No.
That's out of her mouth. You know what that? Just play that again.
No
Just
man,
play it again.
hy's
That's blowing raspberries.
no man, hy's fyn poepies.
No, you know what that is? That is, you know that little thing at the back of your throat? That little dangly piece of skin. That's going,
It's ringing.
it's vibrating.
The bell is ringing.
No, that's a post lunch glipsie, julle.
All I'm gonna.
Is that her lips? Was that her lips?
That's a look, yes. That's a She's blowing raspberries and she's sleeping there. All I'm gonna say is that, look, Mom, I love you.
Yeah. No, you don't need to.
You brought this to us.
Oh, that's gold. Thanks, Mornay.
Pleasure, man.
Cheers. All right, Grant from Lansdowne. How's it, Grant?
I'm fine in South Laren.
Good, sure. This is your wife now, hey?
Yes.
Goodness me. And he sent us the video. Now, picture this. Your wife is sleeping, is cuddling your child as well now.
Yes, that is correct, yes.
And your child is sound asleep.
Yes, and he was like that, yeah.
He's lights out.
Quiet.
Have a listen to this.
Mama.
It's in a nice rhythm, though.
My mama is moeg. You can hear that mom is tired. Mama is moeg.
I can feel it on my skin. Like it's scratching me.
If you're into ASMR, this
This is
is
the opposite.
this is the thing for you. eh?
No. This is the opposite of ASMR. Oh, I'm itchy.
Now, now, you feel like you need a good scratch. eh?
Yes.
Now, Grant, is this every night, eh? Or is this just when?
Every night.
Every night.
Every night. If I don't go fall asleep before her, then I can't fall asleep. Then I don't sleep. Or if he fall asleep before me, then I must kick her to tell her, hey, lay on your side.
You see, now it's Game of Thrones now. It's Games of Sleep now.
Yeah.
You see?
Or like an elbow in the back. Hey.
There we go.
Ish, okay.
And your baba and your child used to it, eh?
Yes, they used to it, but he's also starting to snore now. So yeah, it's another problem.
Got it from his mama.
Yeah, see, he would have been used to it in utero.
Yeah.
So it's like a lullaby.
This is all he knows. It's all your son knows. This is how you sleep.
The most fun, laughter, and the most music
to make you feel great.
Wakey, wakey, rise and shine.
KFM mornings with Darren, Shirley, and Sid. Monday to Friday,
6 to 9 a.m.